Today we're going to have a look at how to set up a registration for our RBDigital Labs. What we need to do is go into Google and click on and type in RTRL, which stands for Richmond Tweed Regional Library. Then we need to click on the Richmond Tweed Regional Library homepage, and then we need to go to the yellow My eLibrary section and down to e-audiobooks. From here, you'll notice that we have BorrowBox, RBDigital and IndieReads, which are three separate platforms that all have e-audiobooks. The one we're interested in today is our RBDigital e-audiobooks, and we need to click on Browse RBDigital link below. Now once we've set up the registration for the RBDigital apps, you'll be able to not only borrow our ebooks, which you can see here, our e-audiobooks and e-magazines, but you'll also have access to the transparent language platform, which is another separate app, all from the one registration. So what we need to do is scroll back up to the top here and click on register. Now we need to put in our details. So your username can be anything. It can be your membership number or it can be your name. We just need to make sure that it's all one word. Your first name will be your name. And then we need to put in your email address. And then confirm it below. We need to come over to where it says password, and this is where you enter your PIN or your password, which is usually the last 4 digits of your phone number, and then confirm it below. Now you need to put in your library membership card number, which is on your RTRL library membership card, and it's a number underneath the barcode, which usually begins with a 2. In this case, I'm going to use an online membership number which begins with a C, but you enter yours. Now we need to accept the terms of service, terms of agreement, privacy policy as well. We need to read those by clicking on the links and then click accept. And then we need to click register. Okay, once you're successful, it'll come up and show you this page, and you know that you're ready to go to actually download your apps. And like I said, you can not only download RBDigital, but you can also download Transparent Online Languages app, and then that way if you want to learn language, you can do that as well. Thank you, I hope this has been helpful. If you have any problems, please contact your local branch.